Before we talk about hacking, before we talk about tools, and before we talk about the OSCP exam itself, there is something important you need to understand. The OSCP exam does not begin on exam day. It begins right here, in the very first module of the PEN-200 course. Most people see this module and think it's just an introduction, something to skim through, something to finish quickly so they can move on. That mindset is the reason many people struggle later. This first module is where OffSec explains how you were expected to think, how you were expected to learn, and how you were expected to operate throughout the entire course. In this video, we will walk through Module 1 exactly as designed, step by step, using only what is officially listed in the syllabus, and we'll explain it in simple terms for someone who is completely new. Module 1. Penetration Testing with Kali Linux, General Course Introduction. Learning Unit 1. Welcome to PWK. This learning unit is about orientation. OffSec is introducing you to the PWK course environment and setting expectations from the very beginning. Learning Objective 1. Take inventory over what's included in the course. The first thing OffSec wants you to do is understand what you actually receive in the PEN-200 course. This includes course material, lab access, exercises, but more importantly, it includes responsibility. OffSec does not give you step-by-step walkthroughs, guaranteed solutions, hand-holding instructions. Instead, they give you structured content and expect you to navigate it independently. This is intentional. In real penetration testing, no one tells you exactly where the vulnerability is. You are expected to explore, analyze, and decide. This course inventory represents that reality. You are being trained to work with what you were given, not what you wish you had. Learning Objective 2. Set up and attacking Kali VM. At first glance, this looks like a technical setup step, but it's actually about ownership. OffSec expects you to install Kali Linux, configure your environment, and maintain system stability. Your Kali virtual machine is your primary tool. It is where you will run commands, perform scans, write scripts, and document findings. If something breaks, you are expected to fix it yourself. This teaches a very important lesson early. In penetration testing, your tools are your responsibility. This same expectation exists in the OSCP exam. There is no technical support during the exam. Your environment must work. That's why this objective exists in Module 1. Objective 3. Connect to and interact over the PWK VPN. Next, OffSec introduces you to the PWK VPN. This VPN connection allows your Kali machine to communicate with the lab environment. But this objective is not just about connecting, it's about learning how to interact with unknown systems. Once connected, you will see machines you don't recognize, services you've never used, networks that don't explain themselves. This mirrors real-world penetration testing. You are entering a network with limited information and must learn to observe before acting. Feeling confused or overwhelmed at this stage is normal. OffSec expects that. The VPN is your first exposure to uncertainty. Objective 4. Understand how to complete module exercises. Exercises in PEN-200 are not traditional homework. They are designed to test understanding, reasoning, and researchability. OffSec does not expect perfect answers. They expect effort, exploration, and learning. When an exercise doesn't work the first time, that is part of the process. You are being trained to try something, observe results, and adjust your approach. This mindset becomes critical later in the course and during the exam. Learning Unit 2. How to approach the course. This learning unit focuses on learning strategy, not tools or commands. Learning Objective 1. Conceptualize a learning model based on increasing uncertainty. This single objective explains the entire PEN-200 philosophy. At the beginning of the course, instructions feel clear, guidance is stronger. As the course progresses, instructions become less specific, guidance decreases. By the time you reach the exam, uncertainty is high. Decisions are yours alone.
This is intentional. OffSec is training you to operate when information is incomplete. This is exactly how real penetration tests work. You will not always know which tool to use, which vulnerability exists, or which direction is correct. The course gradually builds your tolerance for uncertainty. Understanding this early prevents frustration later. Objective 2. Understand the different learning components included in PEN-200. PEN-200 is not just about reading material. It includes multiple components: theory, hands-on labs, exercises, and independent research. No single component is enough by itself. OffSec expects you to combine them. You might read about a concept, see it partially in a lab, and then research it further on your own. This blended learning approach is designed to build real-world skills. Learning Unit 3. Summary of PWK learning modules. This learning unit helps you see the big picture. Learning objective. Obtain a high-level overview of what's covered in each PWK learning module. Here, OffSec wants you to understand how the entire course fits together. Topics are not random. Skills repeat and build over time. For example, enumeration appears in many modules. Privilege escalation builds on earlier concepts. Scripting supports manual testing. This overview helps reduce panic later. When a topic feels difficult, you can remember that it's part of a larger structure. You are not expected to master everything immediately. You are expected to progress. Module 1 Conclusion. This first module does not teach hacking techniques. It teaches how to learn, how to think under uncertainty, and how to take responsibility for your tools and decisions. If you understand this module properly, the rest of the course becomes clearer. If you rush through it, later modules feel overwhelming. This is why Module 1 matters. In the next video, we will move forward in the PEN-200 syllabus with the correct mindset already in place. Follow this series step by step to prepare for OSCP the right way.